Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by placing a ready 3D head into your scene so you can pose and study anatomy immediately. First, import the 3D material from the material palette and drop it onto the canvas. This creates a 3D layer ready to edit. Once done, switch to the subtool for 3D objects to adjust camera, light, and model visibility. Make sure to set canvas resolution and save a scene snapshot so you can revert if you need to. Now you refine pose and expression to match your reference intent. With the object tool selected, rotate and position the head in 3 axes. Use scale sparingly for perspective. Then open the parameter or expression sliders to tweak eye orientation, mouth openness, and eyelids. This makes poses believable. Afterward, apply or tweak textures and use an overlay or snap layer to trace core lighting and shadow shapes. This helps finish by locking or rasterizing the 3D layer so you can paint details without accidental shifts. Create separate paint layers for skin, hair, and features. Export multiple camera angles as PNGs for reference and save the scene so you can return later. If something looks off, reset the model transform or reload the scene snapshot. That recovers proportions lost to unintended scaling. Make sure to check unit scale and camera focal length if perspective appears distorted, and then continue refining.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.